Fixing wall damage has never been easier. I'm going to repair this without using any spackle or tools and take it from this to this. Stay tuned, I'll show you how. I've got these anchor holes on my bathroom wall from a towel bar that we removed. Since we're going to be doing a full gut remodel in the near future, I'm just going to fix it fast with the Dap Eclipse Rapid Wall Repair Patch. First, you'll need to prep the area. You'll want to push any damaged or rough edges inside the hole to create a smooth surface. Next, grab a sanding block or some sandpaper. So you're going to want to sand around the edge pretty good so that the patch can adhere to it. You want this to be nice and smooth, and sometimes when there's like layers of paint on there, there's some texture. So we want to get that smoothed out. So I'm just going to kind of lay this here, get a rough idea of how big the patch is around my hole, so I can kind of get an idea of how far out I need to go with my sanding. Continue to sand around the area to make sure it's nice and smooth. This will help the patch adhere better and give you a seamless finish. There you go, nice and smooth. Next, take a rag and remove any dust and debris. Now it's time to apply the Dap Eclipse Rapid Wall Repair Patch. It's got this nice little easy slit that makes it easy to remove. And you're just gonna peel this off like a sticker. And there we go. Now we're going to apply this to the wall. So there's a gray little circle, if you can see that. There's like a gray little circle in the center. That's what we're going to position over the center of our damage. Peel off the backing and carefully position the patch over the hole. Press it firmly onto the wall, making sure there are no air bubbles and that the edges are well adhered. This patch is amazing because it doesn't require any spackling or additional tools. It's really that easy. Once your patch is in place, grab your paint and a brush or a roller and apply a coat of paint over the patch, extending it a bit beyond the edges to blend it into the surrounding wall. Make sure you cover the entire patch. Once that first coat of paint is dry, we're going to peel the top protective layer off. You can see here there's the pull tab and the layer. It does take a little bit to get it off. You're going to need some fingernails to get this started. But once you do, it peels off so easy. We're just going to take this pop-up tab right here and gently pull it off. This is going to reveal a surface that's ready for additional coats of paint. So just peel slowly, and there you go. And now you can see what's left after we pulled the protective layer off. We've got this that's going to remain, and then we're going to paint over it, and it's going to blend all into the wall for you. Now you're going to apply 2 more coats of paint, but you want to allow each coat to dry thoroughly before applying the next. So I'm applying a coat here, I let it dry for about an hour, then I came back and applied a second one. This is going to ensure a nice, smooth, and seamless repair that's going to blend in perfectly with the rest of your wall. Here it is the next day. I let it cure overnight so it would be nice and dry, and I don't know if you can see it up there. You can't even tell where the spot was. Get out because it does have the tiniest little bit of difference right over the hole. You can't see though where the patch ends because it blended so perfectly in with the paint job. My guests will never notice this. My husband will probably never notice this. I think this covered up this spot perfectly to get me by for now. I'm very happy with this product. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY Made Easy.